Hey guys, it's ZeroCube, and today we are back on whatever this game is called. I just died. And I don't know, what does this mean? Wow. Wow. Can we buy one of these? Yeah, let's buy this. Select. So we got the, whoa, that looks cool. So let's change the block. This is new, that's new. So there's like a new update that there's no blocks. That's cool. No! So, what's this? Can we? No. 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 Yeah. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go for the head is whatever I'm looking to press. Now I will. Oh my god. What a snake is hard to defeat. Not to the defeat, not. Oh my god, yes. Perfect. Oh, I hate the spikes. Why are the spikes real? Yes. Okay. And it did say that. Oh. No, you can. Oh. Don't download it, it's not real. So I have the normal one, you know? And I have I have these two too. Okay, that's all I have. These are really good. Wow. I really like the sideboard one. So, oh my. Yeah, it just did a like warning sign. Nerd. Yes, I want to get a new skin that is even better than the sideboard. No, why did I go? Hi. So I know what to do now. What? Oh, I died. Why does it look ads in this game? Every time you die, it's like so much ads. Why can't I press? I can't press the X. There. Oh my god. I finally made that. No! I just needed to go one block. Wait, I can do this. Yes. Wahaha, you don't get me. Almost to level 24. I don't know why does it like say 2 chickens up there, but whoa, gorilla. No, you want him. No. Put that. So easy. No. Look. You do that, then he'll. What the? Why does it go straight away after the ad? Okay. Oh my god, that scared me. I thought I died. I thought I would die. Oh my god. Oh my god. I thought there would be. I'm gonna get to level 30. Okay, I need that. Please. Yes! I got another one. Okay. Okay, at least I got another. Oh, like you. Push. No. bonus level. Get all of the coins. Yes. Yes, I need that. I need that. Get it. Please get it. Please. No. Please get it. No. Please get it. Please get it. Please get it. Okay. Lose it. Whatever. Can't even get an ad. That's cool. Like if you go up too hot, too high, your head. Look there. But one run. Why? Okay, there. Finally. Yes, I did that. Sorry, that might be loud, but whoa. Oh my god, I could have gone for there. I like going to the top because I don't want to risk going for it. Because I feel like I'm gonna die. But no, I'm dead. And now I'm all the way back. Yes. No. Yes, I did that. Oh. Let's get that and this. No! No! I thought I would make this nails. Yes. Yes, I already said that one. Okay, this is where I died this time. Oh my god, I almost died there. No, that can't. I died the same way the last time. No! Perfect. What? Okay, I need to have 4 of these to get them. No. What is this game? Yeah. I like how it's just perfect when you like exactly do it. No. I love it. Okay. There. And then let's go up there. No, I could have, cause no. I'm never gonna beat this level. I got this. I'm gonna beat this level. I know it. Yes. I know what to do now. So that will do that, and then there's this coming on. Now I'll take that. And then I can go under this. And then I can go through this. And then that guy will do that. And I win. Yes, I knew I would win that. So many people just running around. Oh, they're grabbing everything. They're stealing. Crazy shoppers, it's called. There, and then, oh my god, I almost died. I should have just left it. I could have gone for there. I'm gonna win this. No. Now I will win it. Oh, I got 3. I did 3. Yes, I did that. Oh my god. Imagine if I died. Yes. Kill it. Yes! I'm level 28. No, later. I will just put it into the website. Countdown 9 days. Oh, the 6th. 8 now. 7. Okay. No, I died. Oh god, I died again. Yes, I did that. Okay. Getting better? Yeah, okay. Did that one. Oh, this is hard. Wow. No, I can't die. I died. At least I'm ready for that. Oh. No, I could have just left it. Okay, now I know what to do. I'm just gonna leave it. Why did I just leave that? Okay. Now. Whoa. That's cool. I don't know what's this game. Stickman Hook, I guess. So, no, I did say leave it, so that counts. Okay, I'm gonna do 2 that time. I was going for everything. Yes, I made it to level 29. Oh my god, I need that, please. Okay, I need to get these. I need to get 3 more eggs. Just let me get 3 more eggs. No. Piles Up, it's called? Yeah. I love the song. Get rid of it. Nope. Okay, after this level, we're gonna do 30. Let's get to 31. Yeah. Well, now I don't know what to do, at least. Nope, I don't. So I'm gonna just go really high now. Really high. And then that guy will come, and he will not kill me if I go really high. So that's a good strategy, to go really high. And then the stuff will not come. Look at that. I want that. No, I couldn't. I died.
Start your business adventure with Cash Inc. Start with one business and open more as you go. Just keep tapping away. Max.
There. No, I died. Haha, you won't kill me now. No. Why do I have to die? I don't want to die. So I'm not gonna go there. No, I should have gone high there. I should have gone high. She's not even playing anything. It's You're not playing anything. You're just looking at the phone. Yes. Imagine if I died. And now I have the phone. Yes, I made it to level 30. Now the last level. Yeah, this is the last level. Bonus level, okay. Then. Wait. Guys, I think this is it for this video. Make sure to smash that like button, hit the notification bell if you never miss a video, and make sure to subscribe. Bye!